Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right, working hard, being sincere, staying committed, and yet something feels missing? Not visible, not obvious, but enough to slow your growth. The truth is, success is not blocked outside, it is actually limited by something deep inside. And today, I will share three very important invisible pillars of sustainable success that quietly shape your entire journey. Hello, I am Dr. Dipali Thakur, Professor Anesthesiology and Life Coach. In last video, we explored three important visible pillars of success, right? Skills, effort, and experience. They create a very strong foundation. Today, we will go further deeper because real sustainable success is actually built from within. There was a phase in my journey during my clinical practice early years where everything looked on track. I was working sincerely, fulfilling responsibilities, doing what was expected from me. From outside, it was like a perfect picture, but inside there was a quiet awareness, a feeling that I was capable of more, not in terms of doing more work, but expressing more of who truly I am. I realized something important here. Nothing outside actually needed to change immediately, but something inside definitely needed some alignment. And that shift came when I started understanding these invisible pillars. So let's see. The first and the most important invisible pillar is your inner stability. Your external performance depends on your internal state. Yes, please understand this very clearly. So, when your mind is overwhelmed, anxious, or constantly under pressure, what do? You hesitate, you start overthinking, you start underplaying your potential. And as against when you are internally stable, you think clearly, logically, you act with confidence, you take better decisions, right? You handle pressure without losing yourself to that situation. So, inner stability doesn't mean that there is no stress. It simply means that you are not controlled by that stress. Professionals who grow sustainably are not stress free. They are emotionally well regulated by constant inner work. Let's see our second pillar, which is identity expansion. So, your identity is who you think you are. Okay? So, your career grows only to the level of your identity. If you see yourself as someone trying to prove, you will keep seeking validation, right? But when your identity shifts from someone trying to prove to someone who wants to create an impact, your decisions change, your presence change, your opportunities change. So many professionals remain stuck not because of lack of ability, but because they are operating from an old version of themselves. Growth accelerates when your identity evolves. Now let's see the third and the most important invisible pillar, the intentional direction. Yeah, we see many professionals who are constantly busy but not growing because activity is not growth. It's like they are running on a treadmill and going nowhere, right? The directional activity is important for growth and success. And when you lack clarity, you actually put your effort everywhere and feel exhausted. And when you have intentional direction, your energy becomes focused, your decisions become sharper, and your growth becomes faster. So, clarity here is a multiplier. Without it, your efforts are draining you. And with clarity, actually, your efforts are expanding you. So, when these three invisible pillars align, the inner stability, identity expansion, and internal direction, the success becomes sustainable, not forced, not stressful, but simply aligned. Your next level is not waiting outside, it is actually waiting within you. So, strengthen these invisible pillars, see which pillar you need to work on, and you will see your visible growth will actually, naturally follow in your professional and personal life. If this resonated with you, subscribe and follow me, because here we don't just talk about success, we build a strong inner foundation that makes success inevitable and sustainable. And share this video with someone who is, ready for their next level to unlock their true potential. Remember, your growth begins within.